natin class? Acidic.
Nag-quiz ako naman ang jam. Di pa sa nagpa-quiz. Activity. For next week.
Correct. Isa pa. Ano ba? Tawag ito yung mga pang-babalunan. Equation for the acidic condition, ano? Okay. So this one is for okay. So magkaiba yung condition ng neutral, acid, at saka ng base. Take note class ha, during your exam, I specified there which one is acid, base, and neutral. So magkaiba sila ng procedure ng pagbabalance. So you cannot apply the acidic balancing method with basic and neutral. Ganun din yung iba, no? Hindi pwede. Okay? Now, the first step that you should do, no? Step number 1, okay, similar sa neutral, no? You have to segregate the two reactions. So, sino ba magkapares dito? This one, ito. Okay, ito. No? Ito yung magkakapares, di ba? Okay, bromine and bromine. Okay? Ito, saka ito. No? Nitrate. Okay. Ngayon, separate the now you have Cr227. So yun yung dalawang half ng reaction class. Okay. Now, step number 2, no? Okay. Okay. Step number 2, you have to balance the elements except hydrogen and oxygen. Meron bang dapat i-balance ka na class? Yung chromium natin dito, ilan? Dalawa. Dito? Tatlo? Hindi, charge to class. Isa lang. Okay, so what do I need to do? Maglalagay ko ng number 2. Okay, saan ako maglalagay? Sa side na dito, no? Dito banda. So, ang mangyayari sa kanya class ganito, no? Cr2O7, 2 minus, okay, arrow, and then 2, Cr3 plus. Dito class, balanse ba sila? Yung nitrogen dito, no? At saka dito, pareho? Yeah, they have the same number of atoms, diba? Or ions. Ayan na. So dito, I'll just write HNO2. Okay, and then NO3 minus. Okay, naintindihan class? Yun yung step number 2. Okay, now let's go to the step 3. Okay, we need to add H2O to balance. Okay, wait lang. Plus, intindihin nyo mabuti ha, mahirap to class. Kaya nga may notes na ako, ibig sabihin class, hindi na siya pang baking. No? Pagka wala akong notes, pang baby lang yun. Pag may notes na ako, hindi na siya pang baby. Okay? Ayun. Okay, to balance. Yan, okay. Plus, to balance the oxygen, we need to add water molecules. Plus, for example, in this case, ilan yung oxygen dito, class? On this side, wala, di ba? Okay. So what we need to do is to add water, no? So Cr2O7, 2 minus, okay, you'll have 2 chromate 3 plus ilan? 7 plus, bakit 7 H2O plus? Because para mag-balance yung oxygen dito na 7 at saka yung oxygen dito na 7. Okay? Ayun. What about on this one? Saan ako maglalagay ng water molecules? Where should I place the water molecules? On this side or on this side? How many oxygens are on this side? In the products? 3. On this side? 2. Saan ako maglalagay ng water? A or B? A, okay. Now, H and O2 plus H2O. Okay. And then we'll have okay, ito na siya. Ay, boss, ito ka. Bigay dyan. Magtulungan kayo, ha? Teamwork kayo. Ikaw muna yung representative ko sa kanila, ha? Sige. Ma'am, sabihin mo kay ma'am yung kailangan mo, ha? Friends naman kayo. Okay. Last. Step number 4. Sa akin kayo makinig, ha? Step number 4. Okay. Balance. Okay, guys. We have to balance the number of hydrogen by adding H plus or proton. Okay? Naintindihan? So, plus, tignan nyo to. Ilan ang hydrogen sa side na to? Ilan? 7 times 2, 14 hydrogens. On this side, meron ba? Wala. Okay. So, meaning to say, maglalagay tayo ng 14 H plus Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay. And then we'll have 2 Cr3 plus 7H. Okay. Naintindihan, class? Bakit nagkaroon ng 14? Naintindihan? Okay. Very good. Class, tingnan nyo mabuti. No? On this side, how many hydrogen do we have here? 3. Okay, tama. No? So, maglalagay tayo ng tatlong H plus. Okay. So, lagay ko na, ano? Okay. NO3 minus plus 3. Tama? Nasundan niya to? Ay, sorry, H2O tuloy. H plus. Okay, nasundan, class? Were you able to follow? Okay, naintindihan? Okay. Next ano tayo? Next step tayo. Step number?
Yung hydrogen.
Balance. Wait. Okay. Sinong naguluhan? Sino naguluhan dito? Class, sige na. Ngayon yung pagkakataon yung magtanong, ha? Okay. Class, sa mga naguluhan sa step 4, sino? Amin na. Bibigyan ko grade. Okay, tignan nyo mabuti, ha? How do we balance the number of hydrogen? Sabi dito, by adding H sa side na to, sa product, okay, ilan ang hydrogen plus?
14.
14. Tama? Kasi you have 7 times 14. On this side, di ba kanina, wala naman nakalagay dyan, di ba? 0, nada, di ba? So meaning to say, you need to add 14 na H plus para mag-balance dun sa hydrogen on the other side. Tama? Ito naman, original, tingnan nyo. Dito, walang hydrogen, tama? On the product. Ilan ang hydrogen sa kabila? 1, 3. Kasi dalawa eh, di ba? Okay. So meaning to say, I have to add 3 H plus on this side. Tama? Ayan na siya. Ito na siya. Nasundan? Okay tayo doon ha? Sige, game. Now, class notice, no? Itong mga to, may mga charge to. Anong charge ng side na to? May charge ba sila? Wala. 0. Okay, on this side, may charge ba sila? O, meron, ano? Ito, 3 plus. Okay, positive 3 at saka minus 1. Okay, anong total class nito? Okay, ang total nito is positive 2. Okay, on this side class, anong charge nito? Ito 14, tapos negative 2. So you'll have 12. Tama? Oh, positive 12 to. On this side, anong charge nito? Oh, 2 times 3 plus. Positive 6. Plus ganito. Itong positive 6, okay? Di ba may positive 12 ka? You have positive 12, positive 6. How can we balance them in terms of charge? Sabi dito, balance with electron. You need to add electron. Okay class, saan ka mag-a-add ng electron? On this side or on this side? A or B? Bakit B? A or B? Wait lang class, anong charge na electron? Negative. Right? If I add electron on this side, what will happen? Going up, going down? Down. Okay. So yung 12, para maging 6, ilang electrons ang kailangan ko sila? 6 electrons. Okay. So 14 H plus CR2O7 minus plus 6 electrons. Sundan? Anong charge nito plus? Positive 6. Okay, teka. Dito ko na lang isulat sa baba ha. Okay, karugtog to. Ayan, karugtog ha. Okay, and then 2 CR3 plus 7 H2O. Plus, anong charge nito? Positive 6. Ito, positive 6. Are they balanced? Yes, balanced na. Okay? Balance na yung charge.
Ano ba yung isa yung 6E or B? Ay, 6. Yan.
6. Hindi siya BEE. 6. 6 electrons. Di ba? Oh. Okay na, naintindihan class? Teka. Okay na. Class, okay, on this side, saan ako maglalagay ng electron? 0 to class. Ito, positive 2. Di ba? So, paano magiging 0 to class? Ilang electrons lalagay ko? 2. Okay. So, H and O2 plus H2O. Okay. NO3 minus plus 3H plus 2. Okay. So, yan na siya class. Balance na sila based on the number of electrons. Okay. Class, okay, ganito. May problema pa tayo dito, class. Kasi, remember, kapag kukunin mo na yung final redox reaction, there is no electron in the equation, hindi mo pwedeng isulat ang electron sa equation. You cannot do that. Okay. Now, the last step is to balance the number of electrons on two reactions. Class. Tignan nyo class, ilan ang electron ng first reaction? 6. Ilan ang electron nito? For this to become 6, the equation must be multiplied on what number? 3. Okay. So yung step number 6, balance the electron of two reactions. So meaning to say class, this whole reaction will be multiplied by 3. Okay. So meaning to say, you'll have 3 HNO2 plus 3 H2O. You'll have 3 NO3 minus. And then you'll have, teka lang, 3 times 3? 9. Plus 3 times 2? 6 electron. Okay, yan na. Ito na yung equation, di ba? I-multiply lahat sa 3. Okay, multiply it all by 3. Okay, now you have to copy yung nasa taas, no? So you'll have 14 H plus CR2 O7 2 minus plus 6 electron. Okay, class. Ayan na. Okay. Class, eto na. Magka-cancel na tayo. Di ba mahilig kayo mag-cancel kayo mga Gen Z? Ayan na. O, magka-cancel na tayo, class. Eto ang logic, class. Here's the logic. Anything in the reactant side can be cancelled by the product side. Okay, regardless of the number of reaction, kahit reaction 1 or reaction 2, pwedeng mag-cancel, okay? Example class. 6 electron, nasang side siya? Reactants or product? Reactant. 6 electron, reactants or product? Gets? Nasa reactant na siya, nasa product din siya. Hence, we cancel. Okay? Oh. Water, reactant or product? Reactant. Product. Teka lang, 7 to. Ito 3. O, ibig sabihin, may matitira, di ba? O, there will be 4 na maiiwan. Okay. H plus, 14, 19. 99. Sorry, 19 naman ako. Okay, cancel. Ilan naman ditira? 5. Okay. We can now rewrite the reaction, the whole reaction. Okay, yun na. You'll have 5 H plus CR 2 O7 2 minus. Okay, ano pa? Ito. Plus 3 HNO2. Okay. And then on the other side, you'll have 2Cr 3 plus. Okay, plus 4 H2O. Okay. Plus 3 NO3 minus. Meron pa ba, class? Wala na. So this is the complete balanced reaction. Okay, wait lang class ha.